leaving the car park for the waterfall. I wasn't really planning on doing a video at all today. I was going to take my phone out and get a couple of photos, but it was nicer than I thought it was going to be, so I've got the drone out and just took a couple of photos and videos on the drone, so hopefully they turned out quite well. I've got about an hour and a half to get to San Salvador now, which is the capital city of El Salvador. The roads haven't been the best today, so I'm taking it quite easy, and this is what we want for them.
Chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Go chasing waterfalls, please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame